Daniel Joe here from naturalmattressfinder.com, and I have a little pee situation here with this mattress. The sheet that I thought was waterproof was actually not waterproof, and the pee went right through the sheet. So let me just show you the before. So here's the stain. It goes from here all the way around here and around here, all the way around here and there. So I'm going to show you the special formula that I'm going to make right now to hopefully get this stain out. Okay, so what I'm going to use as a cleaner is hydrogen peroxide. It says 3% USP. You can pick this up at any drugstore. And I'm going to put about a cup of that into this spray bottle. And you also need baking soda. I'm going to sprinkle this over the area that I've sprayed. And the only thing I need to mix here is to put this couple of drops of laundry detergent into the mixture. Like so. I'll mix that together and get to the spraying. Okay, so now got my mixture here in the spray bottle, and I'm just gonna basically spray this down. Cover the whole area with the peroxide. So now I'm going to spread around some baking soda over the area that I did with the peroxide and soap. Baking soda is kind of clumpy, so I'm just going to spread it by hand like this. And I might just work it into the mattress after by hand by just rubbing it. Alright, so I finished spraying the peroxide solution on, and I've also finished putting the baking soda onto the mattress. So I'm going to let that settle in for a couple of hours, and hopefully it'll work its magic and get rid of the stain and also any lingering smells. So fast forward in a couple of hours right now. Alright, we're actually the next day here, and just from a first glance I think we're going to be getting some pretty good results here. I haven't vacuumed up the baking soda yet, but just to give you a first glance, so we can see that most of the stain is removed. I'll just give you a quick little flyby. You can see a couple of chunks of baking soda there on the surface of the mattress, but that big yellow pee stain that was mostly around this part is completely gone. Now I'm going to vacuum the surface and see if there's any stains left after that. Alright, so I finished with the vacuuming, and so I really recommend a shop vac type vacuum cleaner for this application. And I have this kind of floor cleaner attachment. I found it didn't do a super good job because the bristles are very short. And I have this other attachment which has a lot longer hairs, but the head of it's not as wide. It's kind of like this, I guess you would use it to clean blinds and such. I found this works a lot better to get in to the cracks of the quilting here of the top cover. So I use that to clean it. And the results look pretty good. Let's go take a closer look at what it looks like. So as you can see, I've only noticed one little spot where I might have forgotten to spray, which is right here. I don't know if you can see that, but the rest of it turned out really well. View over the whole mattress here. As you can see, it looks very clean, and there's no smell to it. I went up right against the mattress. There's no smell of urine or any stains, so I'm really glad about this procedure here to clean this mattress. And also the peroxide doesn't look like it tarnished the material in any way. The material looks very intact. I don't think there was any damage. Like some of you might be worried that there might be like a chemical reaction, or that the peroxide might burn the material, but I don't notice any degradation of any sort. You might on occasion have to go over the same spot twice. I notice a bit of yellowing here, but then again that might be just I concentrated on this area up here and might have missed a few spots, but you know, I can live with this. It's not as horrible as it was before. So thanks for watching. My name is Daniel Boudreau from naturalmattressfinder.com. If you have that mattress that's kind of stained beyond repair, consider switching to a natural latex mattress, which are hypoallergenic, mold and mildew resistant, and will be very good for your health because they don't contain any fire retardant chemicals and will not off-gas volatile organic compounds into your home environment. So check out my website, naturalmattressfinder.com. You'll find a link down below in the description, and that will lead you to a page where you can compare all the best third-party certified natural latex mattresses side by side, and you can also sort the list by mattress type and mattress thickness. When I'm talking about mattress type, that's hybrid and all latex core. Hybrid mattresses will have coils inside, like this one actually is a hybrid mattress. It's got that springy bounce to it, and all latex core will be several layers of natural latex stacked on top of each other. The advantage of those mattresses is that they usually come with a zippered cover, so you can open up the mattress and customize it by switching out the different layers. So thanks again for watching, and I'll hope to see you on the next video. Bye for now.